Welcome back to my TikTok channel, guys. Today we're going to be making alcoholic freeze pops. We're not just going to be making any freeze pops. We're going to make a variety of concentrations of alcohol and then experimentally determine what concentration of alcohol makes the best freeze pop. And by best freeze pop, we're going to be judging based off of taste and how well it freezes. The consensus online is that 10 to 12% is the best, but we're going to see if that's true. So to do this, you're going to need freeze pops, alcohol. I'm using Everclear because it's the most cost effective. Curling iron / straightening iron, and scissors. All right, step one, I'm going to see how much fluid is inside each one of these freeze pops using this graduated cylinder. And you can see at the meniscus, it's around 50 milliliters. We want to create a varying range of alcohol concentrations from 4% all the way to 20%. So I'm going to do some quick math. Okay, I just finished the math on how much Everclear we need to make all of the concentrations ranging from 4 to 20%. Here, if you really care about the math, there it is, the CV equals CV formula. But in the end, we're left with this chart, and we're going to make concentrations ranging from 4 to 20 with increments of 2 milliliters or 2% in between each. I'm going to walk through the steps for the first one, and then I'll just time lapse the rest of them. Okay, so first, 4% ABV, that's going to only take 2.2 milliliters. But you can see here in the mini graduated cylinder, we have approximately 2.2 milliliters of Everclear. And then you're going to want to just pour that in here. Okay, and then once you have that done, you're just going to want to put the curling iron on it and seal it. Just like that. Now it's stuck in there. And then I'm just going to put this piece of tape on it so I know what percent it is. And do the same for the rest. Alright, just like that, we got a variety of freeze pops from 4 to 20%. And I'm going to pop these in the freezer, and we'll see how they turn out. Guys, we're at the beach.
What do you want?
Let's start with the 4. This is the 4. Alright, you can see it's still fully frozen.
This is an 18.
This is still fully frozen.
I don't want that one.
No littering, guys. Always take your trash home.
This is the 6.
Okay.
Taste is like a 4, but it froze like a tad.
Yeah, all of them have melted. Honestly, like, it's too hot out. Like, they're not gonna maintain frozen. The 4 is actually unnoticeable. You can't taste the alcohol at all.
In the work on it.
I know, it's really frozen too.
I think the 6 is actually.
Yo, we're.
You gotta go.
That just tastes like juice.
Here's the 12. You can try it. I didn't try it. Didn't try it before.
Yeah.
Is the 12 frozen at all?
A little bit. Dude,
This is untastable.
that one's fire. 12 is
I don't
fire.
like this one.
That-
Awful. Boo!
It's just a normal freeze pop.
Okay, I think the 6 is the best.
That one's the worst.
Because it freezes a ton.
It freezes and it's,
Wait, I got
it's
an
not
8?
real tasty.
No, that's 18.
I want to try. I want to try.
Go. You have to look
Yeah,
at how clear it
it's
is.
It's just liquid.
Look at how clear it is. Alright, you try it.
Okay, this is the 18.
The 8? Bro, you
This is
just
the
eat
8.
the whole thing without
How strong is this?
It's kind of good.
The 18?
The 8's good.
It's like
No,
It's
it's
like-
right,
bro.
all
All right, guys. So we have the 18 here. We have the 8. So we're gonna give them a quick taste test.
I don't know.
It doesn't taste like shit. All right, the 8's pretty seamless.
is the best.
Can't really taste any alcohol. All right, 12.
Yeah, who
Oh wait,
posts that?
18. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's 18.
Clip it,
The super
post
clear
it.
one.
Ooh, yummy.
Not actually.
The 18's really bad. And it tastes like shit.
Let me try.
Yeah, 18's really bad.
It's not bad at all.
I like the 18.
You want it?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Hey guys, 4 and 6 are the only ones that stayed frozen in the car right here.
That.
That's the end of the review. Make 4 and 6%.